Here we explain topics of the cryptocurrency world using analogies, stories, and examples so that you can easily understand them. In this video, we are going to explain Polygon NFT. Introduction. The onset of blockchain technology has ushered in many investment options, yielding great returns. Providing a platform for creators and developers to thrive, the applications of blockchain are insurmountable. Crypto assets and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are use cases of blockchain technology that function in a decentralized environment. Decentralization helps lower costs and increase transparency, contributing to the rising popularity of crypto assets and NFTs. NFTs are non-fungible tokens that derive their value based on how rare and unique they are. Most NFTs are attached to a smart contract created on the blockchain. The platforms that facilitate the buying and selling of NFTs are most often created on the Ethereum blockchain and can be traded using any kind of crypto asset through linked crypto wallets. To tackle the high fees needed to mint the NFTs, new NFT platforms like Polidon have now entered the fray. What is the Polygon Network? Before diving deeper into Polygon NFTs and a Polygon NFT API, let's take a close look at Polidon and the details of this network. A good starting point for understanding why Polydon came to be and why its existence is necessary is to look at the Ethereum Network. Ethereum is the most prominent blockchain for Web3 development. However, for quite some time now, the network has experienced issues with congestion. This is an effect of Ethereum's popularity and the fact that the network hasn't been equipped for mass adoption. To solve the congestion issues with Ethereum, so-called scaling platforms or scaling solutions have emerged to alleviate the chain, one of which is Polygon. Polygon believes in a Web3 for all and is a decentralized Ethereum scaling platform. The network allows developers to build dApps with lower transaction fees while maintaining the same level of security as the Ethereum mainnet. The native currency of Polidon is called METIC, and it's an ERC20 token, suggesting compatibility with other Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies. The token is used to govern Polygon and as a way to keep the network secure. In addition, it's used to pay for the low transaction fees that the network facilitates. Polygon can achieve higher scalability and lower transaction fees due to its POS, proof of stake, consensus mechanism. This mechanism requires network participants to stake their METIC in exchange for the right to validate network transactions. Validators that complete this task are rewarded with additional METIC. Unlike Polydon, Ethereum utilizes a POO, proof of work, consensus mechanism, contributing to the scalability issues. What are Polygon NFTs? With a better understanding of the Polygon network, and before jumping into the Polygon NFT API, we can move on and look closer at Polygon NFTs. However, we first need to understand NFTs and what these tokens entail. NFT is an acronym for non-fungible token, and as the name suggests, they are unique. The term non-fungible originates from traditional economics and is used to label unique assets such as property, songs, or art. As such, an NFT is essentially a one-of-a-kind token that lives on a blockchain. As uniqueness is a pervading characteristic of these tokens, it makes them ideal for representing assets like the ones we previously mentioned. Another common token type opposite of an NFT is fungible tokens. These are instead interchangeable assets, and a clear example is a currency. For example, all US dollars are equal to one another, meaning that two can be swapped without compensation. The same goes for Ether in the crypto industry. One Ether is worth precisely the same as another, suggesting that they are interchangeable. An Ethereum NFT is an NFT that lives on the Ethereum network, and so on. What is Polygon's NFT network? An overview? Polygon, previously called Matic Network, is a Layer 2 blockchain that exists on top of the Layer 1 blockchain, Ethereum. This enables the minting of NFTs to take place outside the Ethereum network, avoiding the high gas fees. The Layer 1 blockchains often face the problem of overcongestion of transactions in the network. Unable to handle too many transactions, the speed of processing each transaction reduces, and the fees charged to facilitate a faster transaction become extremely high. Layer 2 blockchains solve the issue of scalability, tackling more transactions at lesser prices, as well as reducing the burden on the Layer 1 blockchains. As a Layer 2 blockchain, Polygon provides faster transactions at lesser speeds. The next challenge was the need for sharing tokens between different networks, which led to the creation of bridges for asset transfers. The Polygon Bridge enabled the interoperability between the Polygon and Ethereum blockchain. Moralist NFT API. The ultimate Polygon NFT API. Block developers can significantly increase efficiency through the utilization of development tools. One such tool is Moralist NFT API, allowing you to create all sorts of NFT-related projects with ease. Furthermore, the NFT API features cross-chain compatibility, meaning that it's valuable for several different networks such as Ethereum, Binance, and Polidon. The Moralist NFT API can be described as a normalized cross-chain API, enabling you to avoid reinventing the wheel, so to speak. As such, this Polygon NFT API provides an infrastructure that facilitates communications between your projects and the various blockchains to acquire NFT-related data. This means that you can focus on other parts of the development process, such as creating value for your customers. Moralist NFT API, therefore, makes NFT development on the Polygon network more manageable. However, how does this work, and how does this benefit you as a developer? In the following 3 sections, we'll look at how you can acquire Polygon NFT ownership data, metadata, and transfer data quickly and easily. What is the Polidon Bridge? The unique features of Polidon also extend to Polygon Bridge, which allows users to swiftly convert their other crypto assets to Ethereum. By doing so, users get access to a wide range of decentralized apps that can only be accessed through Ethereum. Polygon Bridge is a cross-chain bridge between Polydon and Ethereum in order to enable transactions between the networks. Users can transfer ERC tokens and NFTs to the two-way bridge using smart contracts. Using the dual consensus architecture that uses Plasma Bridge and Proof-of-Stake Bridge, a trustless channel, the core of decentralization, is created. How can the Polygon Bridge be used? A token supply in circulation does not change when it passes through the Polygon Bridge. How to use the Plasma Bridge? If you choose to buy MATIC and wish to transfer it to ETH, ERC20, or ERC721 tokens, you can also use the Plasma Bridge. Furthermore, 1. Once your MetaMask wallet is connected to the Polygon wallet, click on Switch to Polidon. 2. Your MetaMask extensions pop-up will show the Polidon network's details. Once approved, you can switch from Ethereum's main net to the Polidon network. You will also see your MATIC tokens. 3. Now, you can go back to Polygon Bridge and click on Withdraw. While Proof-of-Stake Bridge is a much faster way of processing transactions, the Plasma Bridge offers premium security.